Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of May the 25th to the 31st. So we are doing these deals in store because we're looking for register rewards. And there's a lot of magic and 2 freebies in this video. So don't we just absolutely love that? Before we dive into it, I just want to thank everybody who took the time to share their story with the Fetch Rewards app. A lot of us not doing so hot with that app. I shared a personal story, my personal opinion, that things are not going so great. If you're an avid user of the app, even if things are smooth sailing right now, I recommend that you at least go and read some of the comments. A lot of us are having the exact same experience. And it's just, I wish they would just do better. Please watch this video. I will link it at the end. Lots of very important information, especially how to successfully use the app moving forward. If you might be so lucky to have a paper and a digital booster, I'm going to show you the stack for a $40 basket to get these two to work. The top one, typically a lot of us get a quick little photo print and one of those pop out of the machine. Always a year mileage may vary, but we're going to look to get a deal for $15 back at the very end. And before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. It would mean the world to me. If you could just like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Hopping right into it with deal number 1, we have a freebie with the Colgate toothpaste and a brush. They are both priced at $4 a pop. And guys, you are going to have to get one brush and one paste for this one. This morning, they decided to give us a little gift with these 2 coupons, which are a $2 off of a brush and a $2 off of a paste. So please make sure you're grabbing the right items and that the coupons are attaching. Very basic deal in store. 2 of these for $8. Subtracting two $2 digitals, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making it free. If you're doing a deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And I mean, how fantastic is this for Memorial Day to get 2 free dental care products? I think a lot of us are very happy about that. And now we're looking at some Kotex on clearance. Now, I know that a lot of stores on Saturdays start to hang these orange tags. A lot of the feminine care last Tuesday went on clearance. But if your store, depending where you're living in the U.S., hung these tags yesterday, by all means, make this deal happen. You're going to be looking for 3 Kotex feminine care because it's part of a promotion to buy 3 of these items to get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and the clearance is triggering it. So 3 of those cheapy pads at 90% off is $1.75. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, it makes it free plus a $3.25 money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash. Spend $1 to earn that $5. It'll work. It worked for me last week, but I know a lot of you were scoring big or finding the 90% feminine care yesterday. I was reading that a lot in the comments here. Another super deal is on the whole blends or the Garnier Fructis. I was at the store so early, guys, that the tags weren't even hung, so forgive me for that. But we know the deal this week that when you buy 2 of these, you're going to get back a $3 register reward, and we have a 3 off of 2 for both the Fructis and a 3 off of 2 for the whole blends. Now, let's remember that if you're going to do both offers, like for the whole blends and the Fructis, 2 separate transactions, or the register reward will only print out once. It's once per transaction. And here's the promo to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. And I just showed you guys the 3 off 2 digitals. So here is the info. Grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting your digital, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo, which is a fantastic price point. It is okay to use $5 in Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster to earn your $3 register reward. Now we're looking at a deal with the Doritos, a very good stock up price for the summer months. So these guys are 2 for $7 this week. And there is no like booster you're getting back or anything like that. It's just a tremendous value, like $6.29 for a bag. Like, wow. So they're 2 for $7. Doritos, the popcorners, Smart Food, and Sun Chips, those ones. So we have a 3 off 3 digital coupon, so we're going to load it for this one. With Memorial Day, there's a lot of food in this ad, so they're like, buy all your food at Walgreens. So make sure you guys have this one loaded. It's an only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. Grabbing 3 of these bags, it'll be $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per bag, and these are the larger bags, so definitely worth it. And if you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use like $5 in Walgreens cash to make this deal happen. A cheap deodorant deal this week is on the men's Degree or Dove, men only. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. This is the one that you're going to load. There's also a 4 off a 2 digital. Make sure you have this one loaded so the largest one will come off first. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $9.73. Again, we're grabbing the men's. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3.73 for the 2 or $1.86 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster and you just want to grab some quick deodorant with the summer months right around the corner. You probably want one for your gym bag, maybe the car or your office. I certainly love having multiple deodorants. As I was talking about earlier, the food with Memorial Day weekend, IBOTTA has these dollar back for the Jack pizzas. There's also a Fetch Rewards rebate. I would photograph the receipt, the store location before you submit in case they rug pull that on us again and just remove it. So this week, these pizzas are 2 for $8 over at Walgreens. With IBOTTA, after you get your receipt and you photograph it to them, it'll be $6 for the 2 or 3 per. If you might have a really great Fetch Rewards rebate, I would submit it to them, but make sure that you have good photos of the receipt. And then in the app, the rebate offer that they're offering and the stores that are locating in case something happens that they've been doing to us, which is really odd. The next deal I absolutely love this week is with the soft soap at $5.99. When you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. And here is the digital coupon that you're going to load. And here's the promotion again, $5.99, $2 reward when you purchase 2 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And there's also one for the soft soap and Irish Spring liquid body wash. But grabbing 2 of these refills, it's $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per item. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're trying to stock up on very cheap detergents this week, this lower tier P&G is 4 for $10. So it's $2.50 per for the fabric softener, dryer sheets, the Tide Simply. But I know a lot of you love the fancier stuff. But if you're a new couponer trying to build a stockpile, this is a reasonable price point. Another deal that I absolutely love this week is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags, food storage bags. You'll pay $2.79 for the first, get 2 for free. It shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20 of these bags. If you are a home cook or, you just use a lot of these bags, the value right there. It's even cheaper than Dollar Tree and it's of a really good quality. So do love this deal. And also another super deal this week is loading this $2 digital coupon on the Febreze small spaces. It is $3.29 this week. So it'll be $1.29 for one of these small spaces. And I know a lot of you absolutely love this product. Final deal that we're looking at is stacking both a paper and a digital booster. So for this basket, we have a 5 back when we spend 15 that we got from the store and a 10 back when you spend 40, which was a digital booster. And that is of a one-time use as well. Here's the $40 basket I have prepared for you guys. All right, so we have 2 of those Colgates, a brush and a paste for $8, 2 Garnier whole blends for $8, 3 bags of the Doritos for $10.50. That's a fantastic stock-up price for the summer months. 2 of the soft soap refills for $11.98, and then 3 of the Walgreens sandwich bags for $2.79, for a total of $41.27. Scan the paper booster, have your digital booster loaded, $13 in digital manufacturers melting off. We have $4 for Colgate, $3 for Garnier, $3 for Doritos, and then a 3 off 2 for the soft soap. And you are going to pay with your debit card $28.27 plus tax, or you could use cash or a credit card, whatever you want to use. And then you're getting back $9 in register rewards for Colgate, Garnier, and soft soap promotions, plus $15 in Walgreens cash for the 2 different boosters, making it $4.27 for the 12 items, or 35 cents per, which is fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or you're going to mess up your boosters. You can use manufacturer register rewards from, say, last week, but be really careful not to use Walgreens cash because you're using those spend boosters. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.